Good morning, grade 3rd. So in today's video, we are going to study about the use of has, have and had, plus the use of I, we, you, he, she, it and they. So here's the video. Let's get started.
First topic is has, have and had. Okay. We use has and have in present and had in past. We already know present and past. Present means the thing which is going on, and past means which have already taken place, right? Which has already completed. So has, it is used in present for all the singular things, person, places or animals. Has we use in present with all the singular things, right? All the singular things we use has. Okay, next is have. It is used in present for all the plural things, person, places or animals. Have is also used in present, okay, with all the plural things. For example, any plural person, a lot of person are standing here, then we use have with them, okay. Here is a note point that we use have with I and you always. We always use have with I and you, okay. I is also singular. I means a singular person, a single person. I'm talking about myself. If I'm talking about myself, then I use I, right? So I and you are also singular, but with them we use have always. Keep this in mind. Have we use with all the plural things including I and you, okay. Next one is had. It is used in past for all the things, persons, places or animals, whether they are singular or plural. Okay, so had is a thing which we use in past, okay, for all singular and plural. Like we have in present, we have different words. We have has for singular and have for plural. But here in past, we have only had for both the singular and plural, okay. So this was your has, have and had. Let's move on to our next topic. So our next topic is I, we, you, she, he, it and they. Now we have to understand where we use these words, right? So first let's talk about I. If I'm talking about myself, okay, if I'm talking about myself, if I'm talking like I am 8 years old, so I means I'm talking about myself, right? So whenever I'm talking about myself, I will use I, okay. For a singular person, I'm a single person, then I'll use I for myself, okay. Now let's understand we. What is the use of we? Now if I'm talking about myself, and with me, if I'm talking about one more person, if I'm talking about two person including me, मैं खुद को मिला के अगर दो person की बात कर रही हूँ, then I will use we, I and one more, we two are standing here, so I'll use we, okay. We I'll use for myself and one more person with me, okay, plural. More than one is plural, right? So including me, if I have one more person with me, then I'll use we, okay. You I will use for any third person. If I'm pointing someone out, you come here. So if I'm pointing somebody out, the third person, the second person, okay. If I'm talking about any person, you come here, okay. What is your name? If I'm asking to someone which is singular, right? If I'm talking about only one person, then I'll use you, okay. Then she. We know we use she for all the girls, right? Then we use he for all the boys, and we use it for all the non-living things, birds, animals, okay. Then we use they. Now what is they? They is used for a group of person or any two person or more than two or more than one person standing apart from you. You are not there in the group. आप group पे नहीं हो. Then you'll say they are making noise. If you are minding the class, suppose, okay, you are the monitor and you are not making noise. You are not making noise. Okay, so what you will do, you when the teacher enters your class, you will say, ma'am, they are making noise. You were not making noise, ना? आप हल्ला नहीं कर रहे थे, but rest of the class was making noise, right? So you were not in the class which is making noise. So you'll say they. आप क्या बोलोगे? They are making noise. Ma'am, they are making noise. You will point all of them out. All the students were there in the class who were making noise. You will point them out. Ma'am, they were making noise. Okay. So that's all for today's class. I'll be providing you the exercise and the written work through the PDF. Okay. So hope you enjoyed the class. Stay safe. Bye-bye.